Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make canned tuna fish curry. Start by draining and flaking 2 cans of tuna, chop 1 onion and 2 tomatoes, and measure 1 tablespoon of curry powder. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan, sauté onion until soft, add spices and tomatoes, then stir in tuna and 1 cup of coconut milk. Simmer gently and serve over rice or with bread. Begin by prepping all ingredients so cooking flows smoothly. Heat oil in a medium pan, then add chopped onion and cook until translucent. Sprinkle in curry powder, turmeric, and a pinch of chili, stirring briefly to bloom the spices. Add diced tomatoes and cook until they break down, then stir in flaked tuna and coconut milk. Simmer for a few minutes to meld flavors and adjust salt before serving. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot is a compact smart speaker that brightens your kitchen with music, timers, and hands-free recipe help, which is perfect while you cook tuna curry. It fits any counter and responds to simple voice prompts to set timers or play tunes. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When cooking, keep the heat moderate to avoid breaking the tuna apart too much. Let the curry simmer gently for 5 to 8 minutes so the coconut milk and spices marry well with the fish. Taste and adjust seasoning, adding salt or a squeeze of lime if it needs brightness. Finish with chopped cilantro for freshness, then plate the curry over steaming rice or alongside warm bread for a comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.